Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. It has been a while, but thank God I am here. If you want to know how I moved from this to this, then all you have to do is continue watching, and while you're at it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. So guys, I went straight ahead and I did my brows off camera. Now before I put on my eyeshadow, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer as a base, and then I am going to blend it right out. And to apply this base, I am using a flat concealer brush. To do so, after applied my base, I will be using my eyeshadow blending brush just to blend out the concealer properly so that the eyeshadow application will be very smooth. So now I will be taking this nice burgundy from the Juvia's Place Afrique palette, and I will be taking my eyeshadow blending brush from Bestope to blend the eyeshadow from my outer crease inward, and then use what is remained on the brush to blend the eyeshadow upwards to my eyebrow. To cut my crease, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I am using the same shade that I use as base. And to get the nice cut, I am using a smaller concealer brush, and while doing so, I am taking my time to ensure that the crease turned out looking sharp and neat. So now I am taking the same burgundy to pat on the outer corner of my lid, and the brush that I am using to do so is my eyeshadow packing brush from Star Beauty. From the Shiny eyeshadow palette, I will be taking this hot red as my next color, and I will be taking a smaller brush to pack this on the center of my lid. And while I am packing the eyeshadow, I am ensuring that I blend both the burgundy and red together so that there is a nice transition between the two colors. Also, from the Shiny palette, I am taking this nice shimmer pink to pat on the inner corner of my lid. It's time to draw my wing, but instead of using my favorite liquid eyeliner, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, because I will be patting the same eyeshadow that I used on my lid onto my wing, but I will be packing the eyeshadow in the opposite way. So I will be packing the burgundy onto the inner corner of my lid, then the red, then the pink onto the outer corner. To brush my lashes, I am using the Amuse mascara, then I will be applying my fake lashes. Now, these are two different lashes that I glued together. One looked a little plasticky and the other was a little too thin, so I combined them together to get this fullness. And to be honest with you, I think I like them. To darken my tear line, I am using a black eyeliner pencil. Now onto my face. For moisturizer, I am using the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Now, I have been treating my face because I really didn't know what was happening. I started breaking out, so I used aloe vera on my face first and then allowed it to dry while doing my eyeshadow. So now I am using the moisturizer on top of it. Then I will be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. I have been using the aloe vera for some weeks now, and this voiceover is actually 1 week after doing the video, and my face is looking so much better. There is like a lot of improvement. I would definitely recommend using the aloe vera for your skin. For foundation, I am using the LA Girl Pro Coverage Eye Definition Liquid Foundation, and I mixed 2 shades together to get my perfect shade. So I mixed bronze and I think it's rich cocoa, if not it's toast, and I blend out my foundation with, of course, a damped beauty blender. To highlight my face, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Then I am using a beauty blender to blend it out and a small blending brush to blend out underneath my eyes. And to set the concealer, I will be using the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder. Now to contour my face, I am using the LA Girl Face Powder in the shade Chestnut, and then I'll be using my beauty blender to blend it right out. To finish my eyes, I am going back with my burgundy and just blend it out underneath my eyes. Now to set my entire face, I am using the RMCA setting powder, and this brush that I am using is the powder brush from Besto. For highlight, I am using the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter, and for blush, I am using the Milani Baked Blush. Now finally for my lips, I will be taking this really nice red from the Amuse Lip Palette. I really think the red will complement my eyeshadow a lot. What do you think? Also, I am going to take a deeper red to go on top because I want my lip to have this rich red look. To set my face, I am using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And that is it. This is a final look, guys. Comment and let me know what you think about this look. And while you're at it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. You can click the icon to view more of my videos or click the next video on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Wow, good.